My name is Staff Sergeant Evans. We are conducting aerial gunnery with the 2nd and the 285th for the enlisted soldiers that are crew members on UH-60s. It's a whole process we go through. So every year we have to come out and qualify shooting aerial gunnery. It starts out with the equipment, like the basics of the 240 weapons PMI, where you're familiar with that weapon, and academic training, ground shoot familiarization. We call them gates or tables that the crew members go through that culminates in us flying the aircraft and shooting actively while flying around. As a crew chief, we have to follow orders and target clearances, right? So ultimately, there's a warrant officer pilot that we take orders from, which incorporates what we call aircrew coordination training to ensure target handoffs and permissions of fire. As a crew member, we need to be very familiar with the ROE. And then also there's a specific emergency procedures. Like today, when we were shooting, I had a runaway gun, which means the machine gun does not stop firing after you pull the trigger or push the trigger. So I had to conduct the emergency procedures to stop it. And during that entire time, you have to keep the entire crew informed.